How to fix Superbox black screen not turning on. So if your Superbox shows a black screen, there's a few things you can put in mind to basically troubleshoot. So first things first, make sure the power adapter, which is usually the most common fix, make sure you're using the original Superbox power adapter. So it should look something like this over here. Make sure it's uh, toweled or plugged in properly. You can try a different wall outlet. You can also check if the power light turns out. If there's no light at all, the adapter may be defective. If possible, you can test with another compatible adapter with the same voltage and amperage. You can also go ahead and check the HDMI over here. So the HDMI wire that you're using to connect both the Superbox and the TV. Now, in general, it does give you an HDMI already, as well with the Superbox, but because of that, it may be somewhat a faulty wire, so just go ahead and check for that as well. You can try a different HDMI port on your TV, or you can try a different HDMI cable. You can also go ahead and try resetting, so you can unplug the power box from the power. You can wait for 2 to 3 minutes and then go ahead and try turning it back on. And you can check for overheating, or again, what we did mention was to try a different TV. But in general, if it still won't turn on, there's no power light, no display, or no response after trying another adapter, maybe you went ahead and just used your remote. And of course, make sure your remote does work. It has proper batteries and it's not a low battery. You're gonna have to put in mind that the internal power board may be faulty. In that case, you need warranty support or somewhat similar to a replacement unit. But those are a few things you can put in mind if your Superbox over here is not showing anything other than a black screen. So hopefully the information of this video can help you, and if it can, please like and subscribe for more videos like this, and that's all.